Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we have created one of the function as a add to cart function, and here I have defined some of the conditions, right? So after that, here we save this data. So now I want to create one of the view page. So now just click the save all. And now if you want to create one of the URL for access this function, then you have to go to your app order and do the your URL. And with the URL, I have already added our app order into the views. So into the views area, I have created one of the functions, right? So now I have also defined that app name as a app order. So now I want to define one of the path. So our path will be, I just name one of the name as a add. Okay, so add, and this type of one of the URL I have defined, and also in our views. So into the views area, I have created one of the function. So I have created one of the function as a add to cart. So that is our add to cart I have defined, and then I define that name for this. So it will be as a add. So I just name it as a add. Okay. And also here we have to add it. That means we have to add this product with a specific one of the ID, right? So for the reasons here, I have to add that ID, because of all, if you go to our view, into the view area, you can see I define that request with our primary key, one of the ID. So also we have to define one of the ID. I just name it as a PK. Okay. Sorry. Here after this, I just name it as a PK, and then that will be our ID, and then our function, and the name. So now I want to display it. I want to display it in our that page, that means our product details page in our add to cart area. So now go to our template again. So that is our template. Into the template, there are app order. So that is our app shop, and that is our product details. So into the product details area, I want to define that is link. You can see there is our add to cart button. So here I want to define that link. So it will be as a URL, and then in our app, that means in our app order, into the app order, I have created one of the URL. So that is our app name as a app order. I have created the URL as a add. So I just simply define that add. And also after that, we have to define our ID, that means our PK. So after that, here I want to do with this object, we can actually defining it, right? So I just name it as a PK, and then our object. So with this object, I want to define our PK. So I just simply define that PK. So right now we get all the data with this object, right? So with this object, I display our preview text, all the things. So that is our object category. So now with this object, we can actually access our this database table field. So I want to access our primary key field, that is our PK. So I just simply defining it. Perfect. So now let's check this out. Now if you click as a save all, okay, just click as a save all and run our server, everything is looking great. And now go to our database, then you can well understand about it. I just refresh it, open that cart, and that is our order. So now everything will be saved in our order area, and also it will be saved in our cart areas, right? So here I have defined this part in our model. So for the reasons here, I have created some of the relation. You can see there is our order. So here I have defined that user, the foreign key without settings, and also in our cart area. So into the cart area, I have defined that with the user setting, and that is our item. That means when this product will be added to in our cart area, automatically it will be added another one in our order portion, that means in our order class. So also here I want to check it now. So that is our cart, and that is our order. So everything now should be very much clear to you. Like here I refresh it. So right now I didn't add this product in our cart, right? So that is actually our fresh product. So for the reasons, now here I define that condition when this will be as our incomplete order. So that is our incomplete orders. Then it should be else. Into the else area, I have defining it. It should be save this data, right? So it should be save this order. Like check this out. I just click as a add to cart. So it's now showing as a order got an unexpected keyword argument as a user. You can see spelling mistake. So here I defining it in our user, that is our order. You can see that actually a spelling mistake. I understand it. So you can see that actually order as that will be as a user. Okay, that will be as a user and the requested user. Now click as a save all, and now go back, refresh it, and here I want to check it. No order is saved, no yeah, you can see the card is actually saved, but our order is not saved because of all here I defined some of the wrong. So I just better delete it. I just simply delete it again. Yes, sure. Now it's empty. So now I want to add these products. Like here right now I refresh it and add to cart this product. Yes, now you can see friend, now it's showing as this item is added in your cart. That means that is actually our fresh one. For the reasons here you can see now actually our this else function is working. So here it's showing our this item as is added in our cart area, and when it should be saved, then it should be redirected to our home. That means our app shop home. You can see when this product I add to cart, then it's redirected to our home page with this message. So that is actually the message is now display, right? So right now friend, this product is already saved. This product is already saved in our card area. If you now go to our order, click as a refresh, now you can see they have also one of the order. If you open it, so you can see that is actually our order item. And also if you go to our cart, click as a refresh, you can see into the cart area, that is actually our cart product. So that is actually our product is now visible. So now if you want to buy this product again, like here I want to go here and now go to our this product again, and now here I want to buy this product again. Okay, so here I define this condition when this will be the same. That means when this item will be already exist in our cart area, that means when it should be already exist, then our order item area only our quantity will be updated. Okay, and after that quantity updated, it should be save this data and it should be show some of the message as a request as a this item quantity is updated, and then it should be directed to our home page, right? So now let's check this out. If you now add to cart this product again, yes, you can see now it's showing as a this item quantity is updated. Okay, that means only our quantity field is updated. So that means here you can see it's now perfectly redirected to our home page, and then it's showing our this message as a this item quantity is updated. Okay, so now you can see it's now showing on here. So now if you go to your cart and if you now refresh it, yes, you can see friend, item actually the same item, only our this quantity field is updated. So before there was actually 1, so right now it's updated as a 2, right? And if you go to our order, click as a refresh, you can see now it's actually updated as a second one as a 2, and that is our product. Perfect. So now friend, I think it's very much clear to you what exactly the things I did on here. So now if you want to add another one, like here I add another one as a this one, now click as a add to cart. So now you can see it's now showing as a this item added in your cart. So here I have added this product, so now it's showing our this message. And if you now go to our order area, click as a refresh, yes, you can see our order is the same. That means our order area, there is only one object. So into the one object order area, it's added all that our product. So that is all that our product cart. So for the reasons here, I have defined that relation with our cart. Okay, and also if you go to our that means our cart area, the cart area, you can see there is a purchase. So this purchase is not selected. That means this product is not completed, right? So for the reasons here, I have defined this part. So for the reasons into the purchase, you can see into the purchase area, I make the things as a false. That means right now this product is not completed. For the reasons you can see it's now showing as an unchecked mark. So now I think is very much clear to you. Okay, so here we successfully did that work. So right now in our cart area, they have the 2 product. And also I want to take another one, like here I take this one also, click as a add to cart. So that is item is added to cart in our successfully. If you now refresh it into the cart area, you can see there is actually our 3 product. But if you go to our order, so order is 1, right? So you can see there is order is 1. So into the 1 order area, I have purchased our 3 product, right? So here I have also defined this part, and everything is now perfectly working. Okay, so that means our cart is working and order is working. So in our next video, I want to create one of the template page for view our all that cart product. That means in our cart area right now I have already saved some of the product. So now I want to visible it in our cart. That means in our cart area. Okay. So into the cart area we have to create one of the template page. So better in our next video I will show you that things with a live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.